In this video, we'll show you how to generate the QR code for the various web pages served from the HAL system to the end user. Here's an example configuration file. It's a multi-zone music and paging system. Of course, you'll find the web pages under Control Systems here, Control Page Designer. This is where you've probably set up one or more web pages. In this case, I have a dining room web page to adjust the music that's heard and the volume in the dining room. Patio, same thing. Same for the bar. Some of these pages have navigation between, and there's even login for managers, so managers can get to the page where they open and close walls, etc. Each one of these web pages can have an independent QR code, and you can generate one for each page you create. This would let you create a QR code just for the bartender that would open just the bar page. In this case, we're going to use the home page because this is the login screen in this particular restaurant. First, you need to select the page you want, in this case, home. I can also select it from this pull-down menu, doesn't matter. When you click the Generate QR Code button, the dialog opens. It lets you select either a PDF or a PNG file to save to some folder or location that you can choose under Browse and create that PDF file and open it in a folder to view your output. So I've selected the page I want. I've opened the QR code generator dialog. I've selected the IP and guaranteed that that's the same IP address that the HAL will have on the network, and then I can hit the Create button. It generates the QR code PDF file in this case, and I'm going to overwrite the one I have there already. And then I can hit Show in Folder, and it opens up Windows Explorer, and I can open up the file I just created. It uses the same file name as the Halogen file that you opened originally, so that's going to be the same name under PDF in the Browse location. In this case, I selected 6 inches for the size of the print back in Halogen over here, so 6-inch size, which means when I go back to view it, it's quite large on the page here. Let's shrink this down a little bit. And now I can pick up my phone right now and test it out. It might be worth doing this at your office, so shrink this big enough. I can grab my phone, scan this, and make sure that it pulls up this URL down here. The name shows up on this PDF file too, just to verify that the QR code is generating the right IP address and the proper HTML name. So there's a great way to test that, make sure that works.